Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, are you taking a good care of yourselves? Yes? How can we take good care of ourselves? It's very easy and simple. I'll tell you. We have to stay at home first by washing our hands frequently with soap and water to keep away germs from our body. Second, by taking healthy and nutritious food. Third, by taking proper and enough sleep. Okay, so today your Shamshad teacher from Senior KG, Toddledom, has come back with your favorite subject maths. And in maths, we are going to learn about a concept. So kids, you know what is concept? It's a comparison between two different things and they are just like opposites of each other. So today we are going to learn about the concept of full and empty. Do you know children what is the meaning of full? Full means if something is full, it contains as many objects as it can. For example, what do you see over here? Yes, it's a basket. The basket is full of apples. So, this is the concept of full. See, there is no place to put more apples in the basket. So, we can call it the concept of full. Now, let's understand what is the meaning of empty. Empty means not containing any objects. For example, what do you see over here? Yes, it's a basket. Can you see anything in the basket? No, not at all. So, the basket is empty here. It's a concept of empty. Let's hear a story of Larry and Ted.
Dad, I have so many berries. My basket is almost full.
Me too. My basket is so full of berries. I think I need to eat a few right now. Oh, I think I ate too many. My basket is empty now.
This bush is full of berries. Take a few.
You're right. There are so many berries on this bush. Let me try one and make sure it's right. They are so yummy. Maybe I'll need just a few more. There are no more berries on the bush and my basket is still empty. But your basket is full.
Yes, it's full. I can barely carry it.
That's great.
There is a great difference between full and empty. Hey, those are opposites. So kids, did you understand the story? Yes? Now let's try to understand the concept of full and empty with few more examples. So, the first picture is on your screen. What do you say, children? Yes, it's a box which is full of toys and there is no place to put more toys in the box. So, it's full. Now, look at this picture. What is this? Yes, it's a box. Can you see anything in the box? Teacher can't see anything. So, if nothing is there, we can say it's empty. So, here, box is empty. Do you love to eat chocolates? Yes. Look, here is a jar of chocolates. And it's full with so many tasty and colorful chocolates. We can call it a jar full of chocolates. Now look here. What is this? Can you tell me? Yes, it's a jar again. But this time there are no chocolates in the jar. So it's empty and we can call it empty. Now see what is the picture here? Yes, it's a vase with many colorful flowers in it. And there is no place for more flowers, isn't it? So we can call it full. a vase full of flowers. Now kids, look at this picture. What do you see? Yes, it's a vase. But there are no flowers in the vase. It means the vase is empty. And we can say it's empty. It's activity time. Let's do an activity to understand the concept of full and empty in an easy way. So teacher is going to show you some pictures and you need to tell which one is full and which one is empty. So let's start with the activity. Kim is going to school. Mama has made sandwich for him and has given him an apple. So tell me, how is the tiffin box? Is it full or is it empty? Yes, children, come on. Very good, kids. It's full. Kim's tiffin box is full. Now, Kim has come back from school. And here is his tiffin box. Now, children, tell me, is it empty or is it full? Yes, very good, kids. There is no food in it. It means the tiffin box is empty. Today, Mama has prepared a cake for Tia. So, Mama has put the cake in a plate. So, how is the plate? Is it empty or is it full? Yes, children, tell me. Perfect. It's full. The plate is full of cake. Now, Tia ate the cake. How is the plate now? Is it full or is it empty? Yes, kids. Do you know the answer? Yes, very good. It's empty. The plate is empty. Good job, children. So, kids, Bob has got an orange juice in a glass. So, how is his glass? Yes, it's full. Now, being very thirsty, Bob quickly drank all the juice. Soon, there was no juice left in the glass. So, how is the glass? Can you tell? Yes, come on, children, think. Very good. Now, the glass is empty as there is no juice. So, it's an empty glass. Kids, do you love to eat popcorn? Yes, we all love to eat the popcorn, right? So, see, here is the box of popcorn. So, how is the box? Is it empty or is it full? Yes, come on, children, think. Yes, very good, kids. The box is full of popcorn. And now, see, what is this? Yes, it's a box where popcorns were there. But now, there are no popcorns in the box. So, how is the box now? Yes, it's empty as there are no popcorn in the box.
I hope you have understood the concept of full and empty very well. So, do practice this concept at home. Now, it's time to go. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.